Hey, what's going on? This is Jay from LifeRx Wellness. Did you have a chance to catch my last short video? If you don't, just go ahead, check it out. So as you can see, the old school, the guy first one, just simply do extension and flexion, just pumping the weights or bands. And the second person who do multitasking, who do boxing, jogging, and the balancing board at the same time. Guess what? This is new era. This is generation next. And this is how powerful athletes train right now. We train our brain now. We train our nervous system. We create new neurons in our body, become a superhuman. This is why it's all the records to start breaking now. Why? Because we get faster, stronger, smarter about our body. We know we train our brain, also our visual, vestibular, put this all together, and guess what? Become a superhuman. And this is important right now for the parents. If you train your kids, if your kids training somewhere and see the future as a future athletes, definitely search around neuro training, brain training, all those fascia training, so much stuff up there, and put it together. Educate your kid, educate yourself. If you would like to learn more, follow up on our channel because we talk about this constantly. Why? Because I see this big benefits, big progression, and rehab in manual therapy, and of course the peak performance for the athletes. This is great. This is amazing. You guys have a good day. Learn more on our channel, Patreon, and we'll see you soon in our channel. Bye-bye.